Okay. So the daily transactions for the Forex market is over $6 billion. Hence, there are many reasons why you should trade the Forex. Okay? Number one, it's the huge volume of money, of transactions per day, over $6 trillion. Okay? Number two, it is unlike the other markets, New York, London, Tokyo, Sydney, what, name it. Okay? It is the market that's open 24/7 from Sunday through Friday. Sunday midnight, Friday midnight. This market is open. Okay. Number three, it is virtual. It is all online, hence can be accessed by everybody and anybody. Okay. So usually, countries can access it. Big banks, so countries, banks, corporations, and other financial institutions. So all these people can access the Forex market. Okay? Whereas the stock exchange is not open to everybody, almost like an exclusive club. Okay? So you find that the Forex actually has a more base, whereas you and me call the retail traders, okay, we can be allowed to participate in this market. So the Forex market has many advantages and why people trade in the Forex. Okay. So the big question people normally ask is, how then do we make money in the Forex market? And I'm sure you probably want to think about that. How does one make money in the Forex market? Okay. So this is how money is made in the Forex market. So I say they are traded in pairs, which is fine, okay? But it is more important to know that, okay. So when we say a pair, let's say, let me look for another pair, let's say Australian dollar. USD. So this is a pair, Australian dollar USD, and this is the base currency. This is the quote currency. Now, let's pretend the value of this pair is, let's say 1.6543. Now, it's always quoted in 4 decimal places. Normally, there's a fifth one somewhere there, but you always ignore that fifth one. Okay, the fifth one, sometimes if you look at it in the charts, it's like a small, like a half a number. Okay, but this is how normally it shows. So if this pair in a graph, let's pretend we have a graph here. Okay, so where this is money and this is time. All right, so you'll find that if this is 1.6543, okay, forget about the 6, because we don't always trade the fifth number. So if this is 1.6543, okay, 3, and then it continues. Okay, then this is 1.69, let's say 50, and then it continues. 1.696, 0, and so on and so on and so on. Okay, and the market comes, let's say it was going up like this, like that, like this, like that, like this. Okay, let's say it's right here currently, but then it moves, let's say here, where this is 1.6963. Okay, so how much money will you have made when the market moves from here to here? Let's say point X to point Y. Okay, you saw the market going up, and then you decided to buy the market there. And then when it gets there, you get out. Okay, so this move from here to there, okay, from here to there, what you do is you simply just subtract this from that. That's all. That's all you do. So you take this minus this. Actually, it will just be, I can even do it here off my head. 3 minus 3 is 0. 6 minus 4 is 2. Now, this is what we call, because it is price has changed, we call this 20 pips. We don't say it's dollars. We call it pips. Okay? When you are in the chart and the currency moves from a point X, Y to a point Y, okay, you find the difference and the answer is written in pips. So we say we have made 20 pips in that move. Okay, similarly, if the market was going down, we can say we have lost 20 pips in that move. Okay? But this is what we are interested in when you subtract those two numbers. So 20 pips, ideally, 1 pip is approximately $10, usually approximately $10. But it is not always the case, right? So this would probably be around $200. Do you need to know this? No, because it calculates it for you. The system, when we go into the systems, you'll find that all the calculation is done for you. You don't have to worry about calculating anything. All right. And the system is smart enough that when it moves from here to there, it does all the, the calculations and tells you exactly how much you have made, and actually tells you in dollars. So you don't have to know any mathematics there. So how does one make money? You make money when the market moves from a point X to a point Y, and the difference is found, okay, in pips, and that is what you make. Okay. Similarly, if the market was going down, let's say it was coming from, the market always moves from the left hand to the right hand. Okay. Why? This is like not infinite, but from a particular time X, or particular time, let's say from 8 o'clock in the morning. Okay, I'm getting an alert. Okay, 10 minutes. All right. So if the market is coming from, let's say from morning, 8 o'clock, okay, and the market opened. So that's 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, blah, 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 up to now. Now, this present time, that's how the market moves. The market moves from the previous time, whatever time, yesterday, last week, last month, 2 years ago, 5 years ago, 10 years ago, all that is the past. But right now is represented by this line here, the red line, this one here. This is now currently, and usually the market will show you, okay, where it is at that time. Okay, so we'll go to the charts and I'll show you, but in general, just know that the horizontal line represents time, and the vertical line represents money. All right, so how do we make money? Well, if the chart is going up, then you make money when the market, when it moves from point X to Y. When the market comes down, the same thing. Make money from that move Now remember, Forex is one of the few markets where you can make money when the market is going up or when the market is going down. It doesn't matter. When the market is going up, market is going down. So assuming the market was here, was there at point X, okay? And then it goes up, comes down, goes down, comes up, down, comes up, down. If we were to look at that price, okay, and maybe this price here, let's pretend that this one was 1 point, let's say 7063. Okay, so if the market was at point A and it has moved down, 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 down to point B here, okay, how much will we have made? Again, if we were selling, then we will have made some money from that move from there to there. However, if we were buying here, but instead it goes down, then we'll have lost money. Okay, but how much? It will be 7063. This one here, 1.7063 minus 1.6943. So let me see. If I subtract this, this is 0. This is 4. Okay, 70 minus 69, that is 1. So 140 pips. So the move from here to down there is equivalent to 140 pips. If we were doing a selling from up here, then you'll have made 140 pips. And the converse is true. If we were doing a buy, but the market has gone against us, then we'll have lost 140 pips. This would be negative. All right. Okay. Any question so far? This is probably the most mathematics you'll ever see in Forex. The rest is automated.
Oh.
Yes.
So basically, you're saying when the market is going down, you sell.
Mm-hmm.
When it's going up, you buy, right?
Yes, absolutely.
Okay, thanks.
Yep. So you don't have to understand anything, you know. Just know that if you see the market is going down, time to sell. See the market going up, time to buy. Okay, and that's what it is. That's Forex. We buy and sell the market. When the market is going up, we buy. When it's going down, we sell. How much we make depends on how many pips you go down or how many pips you go up. That's the most important thing in Forex. Okay. All right. Any questions so far? All right. Seeing none. Okay, so I think we've covered that. All right. Okay. So I think up to number 5, we all covered. Okay. Okay, I think even number 6 we covered. Well, not number 6, but 2-1. Okay. So when to know when to buy or when to sell, I've just mentioned that. Okay. What is a pip? I've just mentioned that. What is a lot in Forex? This one, we will skip this for now. I'll show you when you get the chart. Spread. I'll talk about it. No, I think I won't talk about it for now. I want to jump straight into types of orders. Now, Forex is one of those strange things. It allows you to automate. Okay? It allows you to automate your trading, which means you can have one, you can call, we call it, you can do live live trading, which is market execution. Okay, so this is very important. And two, and I'll show these things live, maybe in class, the next hour or so. So there's market execution, and there's what we call pending orders. Pending orders. Now, as you can guess from the words, market execution means you are executing it instantly. You're buying or you're selling, it's something that is done instantly. Pending orders, you're not doing it instantly. You're saying, okay, fine, if this market reaches here, then I want to be in the market. Or if it goes up here, I want to buy. If it goes down here, I want to sell. Okay. So in pending, there are two types. Okay. There's what we call stop orders. Okay. And then there's what we call limit orders. Limit orders. So first, let me start with execution. Execution means you see the market going, going up and down, and then you decide at a particular time right here, I want to enter the market. So you go in and you click the buy because you see it going up, or you click the sell, and the market instantly, again, the word is instantly, gets you into the market. Instant. All right. Now, let's pretend you don't like, yes?
Sorry, say it again. Sorry.
I was saying, if you look at the market and the market is going up and you like where it is right now and you want to go up with it, you can do an instant market execution. So you click a buy or you click a sell. That is instant market execution. Oh, we have less than 1 minute. Are you guys there? Hello?
Yes, I'm with you. I'm listening. Yes, sorry. Yes.
Okay, so you guys will have to log in again, because I think we have less than 1 minute. So this market,
okay.
Yeah, so just let me stop this and then you log in again. So,
okay.
All right. Okay.